Hi guys, in the following video I'm gonna show you how to fix a black screen issue when you try to capture whole screen in OBS Studio. The cause of the problem is that you run your OBS Studio not on your integrated card but on your external graphic card. So the solution is also very simple. The only thing you have to do is just to switch the preferred graphic processor from your external graphic card to the integrated one. So let's see how to fix it. So as I said, what you have to do is you have to just open Nvidia control panel. You can right click on the desktop and then you can choose Nvidia control panel from the menu. And then click Manage 3D Settings here on the left and go to Program Settings tab. Then what you have to do is you have to find OBS Studio on the list. In some cases it might be not present, so you can find the program manually by clicking Add, and you can find the program here on the list, or you can just find executable file manually. So when you have chosen OBS Studio from the first list, the only thing you have to do is just to select integrated graphics for this program. You probably have selected high performance Nvidia processor now on the list, but as I said, what you have to do is you have to just change it to integrated graphics. Then click Apply, and now when you run OBS Studio, everything should work perfect. So I hope that this short tutorial helps you to fix your problem. So if you don't want to miss any further videos, you can just subscribe to my channel. So thank you for watching and see you.